Okay, this is I unbox and review for you, coming to you with the LG EnV Touch. In this video, I'm gonna show you the main ringtone that they come with, the LG EnV Touch. Okay, so it starts right here. I think this is really great because this one sounds like it's like river in the back. You can hear water in the background. Okay, so that's it. This is the LG EnV Touch, just to prove it to you. LG EnV Touch. Okay, please comment, subscribe, and rate, and comment this video down there. And tell me which one was your favorite ringtone.